Hi guys! This is a quick intro I made to use in my Sqweee parties, but I figured it might be useful for other potential guests, hosts, or even consultants. So enjoy this quick tour and feel free to use it in your own parties. Okay, so if you're on a computer, this is what you should see right now. Think of a Sqweee party as an interactive slideshow. The party posts, which are right here, change automatically, and after the party is over, you can jump to any post if you missed it the first time around or just want to look at something again. The real fun is in the group chat, which is over here on the computer and down here on your phone. This is where everyone at the party will be chatting and hanging out, so join the conversation, have some fun! Speaking of fun, let's talk about GIFs. Sqweee is a little different from Facebook or your phone. To add a GIF or a smiley, click on this blue paperclip next to the chat bar, then click on what you want to add. For a GIF, just type the topic you have in mind to search it. Now, just to prove you're paying attention, post a GIF about books before this video ends to get an extra entry in the party prize drawing. Okay, back to the tour. Next is the private chat, where you can individually message anyone at the party, just like texting. Just click on their name in the guest list and have at it. Here's a quick pro tip. Some browsers make the chat text really small. Just hold down Control and scroll with your mouse wheel to zoom in or out if you need to. Underneath the current party post, you should see a list of all the books featured in that post. If you don't see that, just click in this post or the shopping cart icon if you're on your phone. When you see a book you like, click this little star to save it as a favorite. At the end of the party, you'll get a list of all the books you starred. But don't worry, even though it uses a shopping cart icon, this is not your cart. It's just an easy way to remember the books you liked. Well, that's it for our Sqweee crash course. To recap, posts change automatically, be sure to join the fun in the group chat, and don't forget to star books you like to save them for later. Now let's get this party started!